treat yourself to a test drive in the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, a bedliner, and one-touch window functionality. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.